Me and my wife are in the area, and we've seen this lovely company that's coming around over every street. Me and my wife want to give it a little head start, trying to go out there and take a chance on them. Probably the best decision I ever made in my house, as you can see. I can never ask for anything more. Since the first day I went out there, and I let Andrew know right away. He was the first one to make a call out. He let his home boss know. They came right away. They fixed the problem. Probably the best thing I ever had. It was wonderful, to see a boss to come out to actually look at the product and then see trying to be the first hand, trying to make sure he take care of his customers, and he introduced himself. Really nice guy. Best thing to have. Oh man, it's probably the best thing I ever had. And I bought my house 2 years ago, and I told my wife this is my forever home. And then yeah, unfortunately we got hit with some bad storms, and like I said, I reached out to TTLC, and then they made every possible dream that I ever wished for a house to come true. So I went out and I had another contractor come out. Unfortunately, he didn't lead me to any expectations. I reached out to TTLC. They came right away. They're very honest with everything. I'll be honest, if anyone's ever interested to have any work done, roof, siding, whatever the case is, I always recommend them. They're very respectful. Any questions, concerns, they will be at your front door, and they will take good care of you. Hi, my name is Miguel. I am a customer from TTLC, and they define expectations.